After a long day, you just want to shut off your brain. But what if instead of resting, you're actually damaging it? Have you ever scrolled through social media for hours, only to feel guilty because you've ignored work, studying, or even sleep? If this sounds like you, stick around. Because today, we're diving deep into the signs that your brain might be suffering from something called brain rot. And don't worry, we'll also cover how to fix it. Welcome to the modern world, where technology caters to our need for distraction a little too well. Let's uncover why brain rot happens, how it affects you, and most importantly, what you can do about it. What is brain rot? Brain rot isn't just a meme. It's a real phenomenon caused by excessive internet use. Think endless doom scrolling, binge watching low-quality content, or consuming information that doesn't challenge your mind. Over time, these habits can leave your brain feeling sluggish, distracted, and overwhelmed. It's not just laziness, it's your brain crying out for help. Sign 1. Excessive time online. Do you spend hours glued to your phone, bouncing between apps without realizing it? This endless cycle is fueled by the addictive design of social media platforms. The more time you waste online, the harder it becomes to focus on anything meaningful. If your day revolves around screens, it's time to ask yourself, what am I sacrificing? Sign 2. Shortened attention span. Remember when you could focus on one task for hours? Now, constant scrolling trains your brain to crave instant gratification. Each swipe gives you a tiny dopamine hit, but over time, it ruins your ability to concentrate on deeper, more rewarding activities. The irony? You're trading short-term pleasure for long-term fulfillment. Sign 3. Slow cognitive response. Ever feel like your brain is moving in slow motion? Doom scrolling floods your mind with shallow, fragmented information, making it harder to process complex thoughts. It's like feeding junk food to your brain. It gets full, but not nourished. You deserve better than a sluggish mind. Sign 4. Neglecting responsibilities. When memes take priority over responsibilities, it's a clear sign of trouble. Whether it's work, school, or personal goals, putting things off for temporary entertainment will leave you feeling unaccomplished and stuck. Your future self will thank you for breaking this habit. Sign 5. Losing interest in other activities. Have you stopped doing things you used to love? Maybe you used to paint, play sports, or hang out with friends, but now your phone is your main source of fun. This kind of behavior doesn't just drain your energy, it steals your joy. Life is meant to be lived, not watched through a screen. Sign 6. Escaping problems or negative emotions. Sometimes we turn to our phones to escape stress, loneliness, or sadness. But here's the truth. Scrolling won't solve your problems. It'll only bury them deeper. If you're using social media to numb pain, it might be time to face what's really bothering you. Healing starts when you stop running. Sign 7. Sleep disruptions. Scrolling late into the night disrupts your sleep and leaves you mentally exhausted. Blue light tricks your brain into thinking it's still daytime, making it harder to fall asleep and stay asleep. A good night's rest is the foundation of a sharp, happy mind. Why does brain rot happen? Because modern life is exhausting. Between endless to-do lists, bad news, and constant pressure to succeed, it's no wonder people seek refuge in mindless distractions. But here's the catch. These quick fixes only make things worse. Understanding the why is the first step toward change. How to fix brain rot. Ready to reclaim your brain? Here's how. Exercise. Boost dopamine naturally by moving your body. Even a 10-minute walk can reset your mood. Creative hobbies. Try drawing, cooking, or playing music. Engage your brain in ways that bring joy and accomplishment. Mindfulness. Practice meditation or simply focus on your breath. Calm your mind and reduce stress. Set boundaries. Schedule tech-free times and replace scrolling with stimulating activities like reading or puzzles. Small changes add up to big results. So, which sign resonates with you? Are you ready to break free from brain rot and reclaim your focus, creativity, and happiness? Share your thoughts in the comments below. We'd love to hear your story. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with someone who needs to hear it. Together, let's create a healthier relationship with technology. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.